Other editors ask me all the time how much storage I use for my projects, and then what do I do with that final source material when I'm completed? The project's done and finalized. The answer is simple. I use one 500 gig external drive, and then I always media manage that down and send it up to the cloud. It's pretty great though when you consider if you're going to have an investigation that's going to have a follow-up, or there's a major event like a tornado or something like that there's going to be a 1, 5, and 10-year type anniversary stories, so you can access it later on the cloud. Here's how I media manage my projects in Final Cut Pro.
When your project is finalized and all done, click on the project file and make sure it's active in the timeline. Go to the File drop-down menu and choose Export XML. Select the location for it to live, retitle it if needed, and click Enter. Choose the File drop-down menu again and select Consolidate Library Media. This pulls everything in the project from multiple areas on your system, from downloads, desktops, documents, and centralizes it into one library and one location. Choose where you want it to live and click OK. Once the consolidation is done, I choose the XML in the original project file and create a zip file. Do this by highlighting both, right-click and select Compress. Rename the archive zip file, if you need to, and place it where the consolidated media lives. Open your Flight app, drag and drop the consolidated library onto the Flight app. I also choose just one metadata form, that way every file is the same, and press Start. When the upload is finished, go to Pilot and make sure everything is there. Now, just go and delete everything from your system. Good luck and happy latakooing.